Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can export a video with transparency in Premiere Pro. So if I open Premiere Pro up, this is the video I'm going to be using to demonstrate the transparency. Now in order to export a video with transparency, we're going to be using the QuickTime format. So if you're on a Windows machine and do not have QuickTime Player already installed, you will need to install it. If you're on a macOS machine, it should already have QuickTime Player installed. So to export the video with transparency, if we just come to Export, and then we will just send to Media Encoder, and then in the list we will open it up, and then we will come up to the format, and we will change the format to QuickTime. Now the first thing you want to check is that it hasn't swapped your width and height around. So for me, as you can see, it has switched the width and the height values around, so I will just switch them back to how they were before. I'm not sure why it does that. You will just have to check and make sure that it hasn't changed depending on the format that it was already in. Now once you've checked that, you then want to come up to the video codec, and you want to select the video codec that you want to use. Now some of the video codecs will not support transparency. For example, if we left it on the HQ codec, then that would not support transparency. However, if we came and selected the XQ video codec, if we then come down to the depth section, so here where it says depth, as you can see we have an option that has alpha. So alpha is the transparency. So your video codec that you select needs to give you a alpha option. So for example, again, if we change the codec to animation, that also has alpha support. So I'll just come and change the video codec back to XQ, and then I will come down to the depth again, and I will select an option with the plus alpha channel. So now that is selected, I will just name the output file. So I'll just name it overlay, and we will save that. And now we've made sure we have a depth option with the alpha channel. We can now click OK, and I will now export the video. Right, so now the video has exported, we can now close down Media Encoder, and I will close down my current sequence, and I will open up another sequence just to show you that the video does have transparency. So if I just drag the overlay video onto the sequence, and I play it, as you can see the overlay video is transparent and you can see the video below it. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike to hit the dislike button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.